previously we simulate this basic logic functions on the simulation wave. So this is a block diagram file. Now let's try to simulate this one with the Verilog file, test bench file. So one way you can do it is to create a Verilog file for this this design. So basically we're going to convert this from block diagram schematic to a Verilog file. So the one way to do it is to make sure that this is selected as top file, and you go to create update and then create HDL design file from this current file, and press OK, and then choose Verilog file. OK. So we can see Quartus Prime have created Verilog files successfully. So now we can view this file. So you can either open from there, or you can just go to files. Now, so let's try to put this as so you can see here the Verilog the Quartus has converted this to a Verilog file from this one to this one. So let's just put this as top file entry and analyze size. So as you can see here, this is basically this is a module name, and it have declare the inputs and output value, inputs and outputs, and those are the assignment for the logic function as AND, OR, and XOR. So P is the inputs, the outputs, and these are the functions, the logic functions. So now we can see here we have an error. So this is a common error you can get if you don't know how to fix it. This is the Quartus is complaining that you have duplicate declaration of the basic logic, so it means that you have two files with the same name. As you can see here, when we put our files at top level, it didn't change. We still have this as our top level. So in what way it's confusing which files to use. So one way to fix this is to change the name of this, for example, to Verilog basic logic V, and this one must be changed. It must be the same name too. What happened if you don't change it? And you save it, you analyze and synthesize. So what will happen that you still have this as top level, but our goal is to have this one. You see, it didn't take the changes. So we need to change this. Rename V. Now let's put this as top file and analyze and synthesize. Now we can see our file have changed, but we have a warning here. I'll show how to fix it, and this is now is top level. So you can see even it's changed to Verilog. So one way, if you for example you don't have the same name, if you like, for example you put 1 here, you will get an error. So this name and this name must be equal. So now you can see that the top level entry is undefined. So basically those two names must be equal. So this is how to fix this kind of error. You save it, and to get rid of this error you must go to files, settings, setting files, and you must remove this because this file does not exist anymore. So you can remove it, apply, okay. Yeah. Now everything is sure. Now let's us create let's test this design with the test bench file. Create a test bench file for this one. So you can go to new Verilog file, and then you can save as a basic, you can write test bench basic logic and save it. Next we're gonna look at this test bench file.